Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage app permissions on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. Go to settings and then for app permissions go to apps, see all apps, and now you can choose an app of which you want to change the permissions. I'm gonna select Firefox and now click on permissions, and now you can see what's allowed and what's not allowed, and you can change these permissions by going into them. Then you can change the setting. For example, for photos and videos you can allow all or allow limited access and edit it here, and now you can choose which apps will be which photos and videos will be available for this app to use. As you can see, I can choose the ones I want, or I can allow full access here. I can also go to music and audio, or to microphone, or any other permission. Notifications are kind of different, you just need to enable them and you can manage them as well. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.